Artificial intelligence used to be something out of science fiction. Today, though, it's more science fact. By the end of 2020, more than 80% of enterprise software will use some form of artificial intelligence. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing supply chain, customer service, and finance. And that's just the beginning. Reduce errors and downtime, improve forecasting, increase productivity. Artificial intelligence can cut days off the time it takes to close your books each month, and it can take almost a week off order fulfillment times. The big players are already using AI to leap ahead, and we know because we're one of them, and we're getting ready to help a new generation of AI-powered businesses. By 2027, 75% of today's S&P 500 companies will be replaced by companies that take advantage of the new tools, new techniques, and new insights of artificial intelligence. And that's not science fiction, it's science fact. Get the facts on smart data, access pre-built apps, and discover new insights. Unlock endless possibilities with Oracle.